Most RV owners are confused about selecting their RV slide toppers due to the numerous options available in the market. So, what is an RV slide topper? An RV slide topper is a protective cover to protect the top of your RV from rain, dirt, and debris. It also protects the slide out so that it does not get stuck when retrieving or sliding them out. There are many products available to choose from. Best RV slide toppers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews from customers, and compiled a list of the best RV slide toppers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Onlux Black Modular RV Slide Topper. This slide topper by Onlux is made of premium 16 ounces vinyl material that is thermally insulated and waterproof. It is tested to withstand temperatures ranging from -49 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it ideal for all kinds of climate and weather conditions. This RV slide topper is compatible with all kinds of RV accessories. They prevent the RV from being damaged by dirt, debris, and bird droppings. This is an economical and attractive product and is available in sizes from 66 inches to 192 inches. It is available in white and black. It adds a unique aesthetic value to the RV. Besides, the installation is quite simple. Number 2. Suncoat RV Slide Topper. This unique slide topper comes with a frame that is designed to keep the inside of your RV cooler. It does that as it prevents direct sunlight to enter your RV and blocks the heat. They are constructed with the most durable 16 ounces vinyl material, and do not crack even in temperatures as low as -25 degrees Fahrenheit. The premium quality fabric also prevents wind noise and flapping of the sheet, and properly tensions the springs. Further, the material is resistant to dirt and debris, and is pretty low maintenance. Also, it is hydrophobic, which means it runs down the water and resists mold and mildew growth. It is available in various sizes ranging from 66 inches to 192 inches, and in two colors, white and black. The depth of this slide awning is also 51 inches deep. It also features easy installation. Number 3. Dulpax RV Slide Out Awning Fabric Replacement. When your old slide awning is on the verge of tearing apart, opt for this RV awning fabric, which allows you to replace the old one by yourself. This brand uses 3-ply top-grade 140 ounces vinyl fabric for manufacturing the product, as it is waterproof and resistant to UV rays. Besides, it is also suitable for all weather conditions, as it can survive extremes like -20 degrees Fahrenheit without cracking. The product is available in various sizes. You can also trim it easy to customize it according to your RV. The fabric is available in two colors, black and white. The installation is quite easy. Number 4. Repro RV Slide Out Topper. Repro has come up with a slide topper that is meant to last for a long, and can be customized. The material used is vinyl with 140 side tensile strength for increased sturdiness and longevity. The lightweight construction and heat-welded seams along the edges prevent the wear and tear of the fabric. It is resistant to extreme weather conditions, which makes it survive without cracking or leaking. Also, it is resistant to UV rays to prevent it from degrading. The product is available in sizes from 160 inches to 200 inches, which can be trimmed to a customizable size, according to your RV. This awning comes in a wide variety of classic colors, most commonly in black and white. The cleaning is quite simple as it can be cleaned with any cleaner. Number 5. Shaepro RV Slide Out Topper. The material of this slide topper by Shaepro is extra durable polycord helms that restrict wear and tear and leaks. This fabric is long-lasting and provides long protection against unnecessary hazards. The 15 ounces and 1000 denier vinyl body delivers all-around protection during all parts of the day, and can withstand extreme temperatures as much as -20 degrees Fahrenheit. The slide topper is accompanied by a water-repellent protector. Further, the welded precision sides are flat on the edges to make sure that the pools of water are not formed. The product is available in various sizes to fit perfectly with the RV. The setup for it is quite easy and does not require much time or effort. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.